I don't know if y'all who watched my first Bond Park video remember me coming out here in the pouring rain trying to record that on my iPhone. Well, this is a GoPro shot now, so let's see what we can do with it this time. So I thought I'd just retrace my steps with the GoPro. Probably go to the battery dies. It looks a little changed ever since the last time I was here. I don't remember the water coming up so high. Spiderweb, spiderweb, spiderweb! I like spiders, but I don't like webs. Gotta remember it looking like this. Remember that bridge was more inland. Man, we must have had some really big flooding since I came out here last time. But yeah, this little wooded trail will get me away from people. Kind of get me out into the park. See, this right here, I have to go back and look at my old video, but I'm pretty sure this bridge used to be on drier land. In fact, there's a little thing missing right there. Chillier out here today than I want it to be. More people out here than I want there to be. You noticing a theme on this channel? I like the moss, or not the moss, where those things are in the tree. You know what that is? Let me know. Comment below. Hope we see that crane again out here. Really nice little wooded path through here. See that trail? There's the main walking trail up there. Trying to avoid that. It's a lot prettier back in here. So the question is, anybody wants to comment below? Listening to Quiet Riot, one of my favorite bands from back in the day. They got a song called Stomp Your Feet, no, Clap Your Hands and Stomp Your Feet. No, Stomp Your Hands and Clap Your Feet. Anybody want to tell me what that means? So maybe see some critters down here, down close to the water today. Then I'll make that beeline across like I did last time. Oh, look at this. This looks cool. I like the way this whole shot looks. Thumbnail shot? Possibly. I might come back and take that. Should we go through the center of the trees? Oh. The water's a lot higher today than it has been. Big mud pit down here. Yeah, I think this is all new water it's come through. I wonder if I can cut across somewhere. Jeez, what's going on down here? Wow, yeah, this little stream's all new right here. That's the thumbnail shot right there. Okay, find my way across. Oh, here we go. Alright, I gotta find that trail. Back where I was before. Alright, stopping it here. I think I found this spot that takes me off into the woods. If not, maybe This looks kind of pretty. I don't know why this ball is just doing sitting here, but nice color. I don't know if this was the spot or not I went off to last time. You see, there's the lake and the trail. Well, anyways, if it's not the spot, I was really trying to retrace my steps with the GoPro from the last time I came through here. Looking forward to springtime coming around, so get some out here with some blooms in some of these parks and stuff. A little green. If you look around, you can see a little bit here and there. These trees are really cool. I really like these trees with that weird entrance to them. I don't know if they're just growing wrong or a deformity or natural thing. Looks really cool though. Down inside there, doesn't it? Really, really cool. You guys know if that's natural part of the tree or what? Let me know. Man, must be the rain we had yesterday maybe causing all this ponding and stuff. Here we go. I think I'm back to my spot. So I remember this stream down here. Just muddier today. And I'm not wearing my Hey Dude shoes, so should be good to go. I need to get some hiking boots. Here we go. Here's another one of those cool looking trees. I really like the way they look. I want to know if this is a natural, I know this is a natural phenomenon, but I wonder what it causes this. Any arborists out there know what that how that's created? I'd like to know. Yeah, there it is. That's where I was before with the phone the last time. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, we have totally lost the trail. Find a spot to get across. Ready for it? Adventure shot! Random chatter, how's this sound? What am I on? I'm on this song, Quiet Riot's QR3, Don't Want to Be Your Fool. Not QR3, it's QR4. And they got a new singer. No, it is 3. And they got a new singer. It's really good. Let's see what's going on in here. Another adventure shot. Ready for it? Oh. I mean, look at the ducks. 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 Look at the ducks. How can I get back up this thing? You ready for it? I tell you what, I'm getting old. I don't know what that is. I want to stay away from it. I go over here and get a short of these ducks. All right, take a pause. Man, look at that duck. Pretty color, lovely color on these ducks. I think the female is brown, right? And the male is the one with color, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right.